Welcome to this lesson on exterior angles of a triangle. When we look at the diagram here, we try to figure out, well, which angles are the interior angles. Interior is a word that describes the inside. So for instance, angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3 are all on the inside. The exterior angle in this diagram would be angle 4. Now there can be other exterior angles, such as if I were to make a line going here, that angle 5 would be an exterior angle. Or if I went right here, this, and called this angle 6, that would be an exterior angle because it's on the outside of the triangle. Now there's a special relationship with this. So I want you to pause the video, see if you can come up with a special relationship between these triangles. I kind of got it color coded for a reason. See if you notice anything. I'm going to give you a big hint. What if you were to add 55 plus 65? What do you get? Add 30 plus 80. What do you get? 60 plus 62. What was happening was our remote interior angles, which are these here, right here, are our remote interior angles. And we have a special relationship. It's called the exterior angle theorem, where the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of its remote interior angles. So if angle 1 and angle 2 are remote interior, if we add them together, it equals the measure of angle 4. So we need to pause it for extra time. Please do so. I'm going to move on to example 1. Example 1 here should say, find the measure of angle C. Angle A is 84, angle B is 31, and we're trying to find the exterior angle. Well, we just learned that if we add them together, the two interior angles are remote interior angles, 84 plus 31, we're going to get the measure of angle C as our exterior. So we add these together, measure of angle C equals 115 degrees. Example 2 says find the measure of angle B. So our remote interior is angle A plus angle B equals angle C. Which angle, well, I should clarify that because we're not sure which angle C we're talking about. The exterior angle would be BCD. That's the exterior angle we're talking about. So if we add 40 degrees plus that unknown, x, we would get our angle BCD, which is 130 degrees. So I can replace that with 130. What we're trying to do is find x, so if we subtract 40 on both sides, x is going to equal 90 degrees. So when you're trying to find one of the remote interior angles, all you have to do is subtract the exterior angle by whatever interior angle you are given. Alright, when it gets a little more complicated here, same idea. We're going to take the measure of angle J plus the measure of angle H, and that's going to give us the measure of angle HGF. So angle J is 5x plus 17, angle H is 6x minus 1, and measure of angle HGF is 126. So we've got this as a nice equation. We're going to solve for x here. Combine our like terms, so we get 11x. 17 minus 1 would be plus 16. Subtract 16 on both sides. We get 11x equals 110. Divide by 11, and x equals 10. So if we want to find the measure of angle J, it's 5 times x. Well, we found x is 10 plus 17. So 5 times 10 is 50 plus 17. The measure of angle J would give us 67 degrees.